Hello, the Hunter forum members. The purpose of this tutorial is to again answer one of the more common questions we see here on the forum, which is how do I post a picture or an image on a forum comment that I want to make? It happens a lot here in the game. We post a lot of pictures. So we'll explain it since it's not well explained in the forum itself. There are some posts, but they're difficult to find. We'll find a thread here. Here's a very popular one. Post your True Rex trophies. Thousands of pictures are posted in this thread. As you can see, there's about 9,000 posts in this thread, and almost 250,000 people have viewed it over the years. So we'll go to the very last one here. It was earlier today. And you can see there is a trophy shot that the player Angry Badger has posted of I'm guessing a bighorn sheep that he shot earlier today. In fact, here's another one of a Sitka deer that he posted. So these are in-game trophy shots that he's done. I'll show you how to post that, and if there's enough time at the end, I'll show you real quickly how to post an image that's somewhere else on the internet, that's a picture that you found on a different website. The process is identical. The first thing you want to do is you want to go down to the bottom, and instead of using this quick reply here, go ahead and click the full editor preview. That gives you a few more functions in these buttons across the top. Go ahead and type in whatever text you want. Hey guys, look what I got. Okay, and here's where you're going to want to insert your photo after you've typed a message. You could use the IMG, the image tag here. The problem with that tag is there's a maximum size that the forum allows. I think it's 700 or 800 pixels in width. And a lot of pictures that you may want to post are bigger than that. If you use the image tag, it may fail. It'll get rejected because it's wider than is allowed. So I think the best thing to do is just get in the habit of using the big image tag. And the difference there is the big image tag still has that same size restriction, but it'll automatically downsize or resize the photo so that it fits, which is pretty much still a full page width, but you won't get an error. So what you do is you click the big image button, and you can see it puts some code in here, which is really, these are called tags, and this is the big image tag, and it puts the cursor right in between these two parens, the square brackets. And what it's wanting there is the address of the image that you're trying to post. The forum, you don't ever upload images to the forum. The forum doesn't store pictures. What you do is you tell the forum where on the internet this image is located. And then when someone is browsing the forum, it runs out and it grabs a copy of that and shows it to you temporarily. And it does that by knowing the address. So let's start by getting the address of a trophy shot that I've taken somewhere in the past. Your first instinct is probably to go to your gallery in the launcher. And it doesn't matter whether you're using the web installed launcher or the Steam launcher. They're virtually identical. You can go to those, and you can go to your profile, and then go to gallery, and then here's some trophy shots I've taken over the years. And let's say I wanted to post a picture of this 28.1 brown bear that I shot some time ago. The problem you have is in the launcher is you don't have a way to get the address. For whatever reason in the launcher, all of the functions of right-clicking in a browser aren't working. So I'm right-clicking now and nothing's happening. And even if I expand the picture, I can't right-click. I don't have any way to get the URL, the Uniform Resource Locator, the address of this picture. I'm in the launcher. So that doesn't work. What you have to do is you have to go to the website. You have to go to www.thehunter.com. All right. Even if you're a Steam user, the website still works for you. Now you can see it's already logged me in because there's a cookie on my computer that remembers me. If it doesn't automatically log you in, you'll come to a landing page and you'll need to select I'm already a member or something like that and log in with your email address and your password for thehunter.com. Even if you're a Steam member, it's the same email address and password that you use to get into the Hunter through Steam as it is if you're a regular web user. So once you're logged in, you'll be here at theHunter.com. You can see that's where we're at right here up in the upper left in the address bar. You're going to want to go to your profile and to your gallery. And there's all my pictures I've taken over the years. All right, and there's that brown bear that I wanted to post a picture of. And at this point I have two options. I can either get the URL right from this little thumbnail picture, or I can right click on it and get it from here. All right, and I'll show you the difference. I will mention too that this is Firefox that I'm using. This is Mozilla Firefox. I'll show you in a minute how to do it with Internet Explorer and Chrome. It's virtually the same, except the verbiage is a little different in the context menu. But the easiest way to do it is from this thumbnail. If I want that brown bear, I'm just going to right click it, and I'm going to choose Copy Link Location. You don't want to choose Copy Image Location, because if you choose that, what you're going to get is the image location of this tiny little thumbnail picture. What you want is Copy Link Location, or you could expand it to the big picture and then right click and now choose Copy Image Location. Either of those work. All right, but the easiest thing to do is from the thumbnail is to right click and do Copy Link Location. All right, so now I'll go back to that forum post we were doing, and right in between those brackets I'm going to paste that URL, that address of that photograph, which you can see is https://photo.thehunter.com and a bunch of gobbledygook letters and numbers, .jpg, which means it's a JPEG file, an image file. Okay. Now if I preview this post, there's my brown bear picture. The text that I typed in, hey guys, look what I got, and here's the photo. And if I were to submit that, that would now be a new post on the forum, and this picture would be on it. Okay. Now let's delete this real quickly. All right, and we'll preview it just to make the picture go away. All right. Now we're going to go to Internet Explorer. All right, again, I'm already logged in. You may have to log in yourself, but as you can see, this is Internet Explorer 11. Same process. Go to your profile, go to your gallery. There's my brown bear picture. The only difference is on Internet Explorer, when you right click on the picture, instead of Copy Link Location, like Firefox said, you're looking for Copy Shortcut. Okay? And then when I switch back to that forum post and I paste it in there, preview it, same result. Okay, so one more time, let's delete this and preview it to make it go away. All right, and now I'll bring up Chrome. So here I'm back at theHunter.com in Chrome. Go to my profile, my gallery, there's that brown bear picture, right click it, and in Chrome, what you want is copy, where is it? Copy link address. Okay? So in Firefox, it's called Copy Link Location. In Internet Explorer, it's called Copy Shortcut. And in Chrome, it's called Copy Link Address. So I'll click that. Go back to the forum post, paste it in, preview, and there it is. Okay, so that's how you do trophy shots, and that will also work the same if it's a picture that you took with the in-game camera, that Instamatic that's in our backpacks. That's a little smaller picture, but you do the same thing. You'd still go to your gallery. All right, so let me delete this again. Preview it to make it go away. So now let's say the picture I'm trying to post is not a picture that I took in the game. It's not in my gallery. It's a picture somewhere else out on the internet that I want to post. Let's just do a Google search, and we'll search for dogs, if I could spell. Okay, and we'll go to Google Images and a bunch of pictures of dogs, and let's say I want to post this picture of this puppy here. All right, same thing. I'm just going to right click on it. I'm going to do copy link location. I'm going to go back to that forum post. I'm going to paste it. And that is not going to work. You can see that didn't work. All right, so let me delete that out and see what I did wrong. Go back here. Let me actually click on the picture. And let me click View Image. There we go. All right, so now I have two options here. I can do copy image location, or because I got it in a browser, I can just go up and take the URL right out of the address bar here. Okay. And we'll post it, and hopefully this time it'll work. Yeah, it's going to, you can tell because it's got a .jpeg at the end of it. So now when I preview it, there's the little doggy. Okay. Let's just do that one more time. In fact, this time, let me preview it to get rid of it. And this time we'll do it in Chrome, just to do something a little different. We'll do a search for dogs. Go to Google Images, and this time we'll do this little beagle here. Click on it. Over here I'll say View Image. You can see the address of it right here, so I can just copy that. Go back down to here and paste that in there. I used Control V to paste that time. And paste it, and there it is inside my post. Okay, so that's how you do it. And again, when you're done, you would just hit the submit button, and then that would be it. And of course, if I wanted to put some more text after the post, I can. Okay, and that's how it's done. And I hope it explained it well enough. In the next video, we'll go the one step further, which is when you're trying to post an image that is not already on the internet. It's a picture that is on your computer. Maybe it was a screenshot that you took with the print screen key. Maybe it's a picture you took with your camera or your cell phone and you copied it on your computer, but it's not on the internet. There's an extra step there about uploading it to an image server, an image hosting site that you have to go through. And we'll cover that in the next video. Thank you very much.